Now, what kind of magic is this? Let's talk about it right now. What's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to DJ TLM TV. Right here, I have a game changer, and I don't use that word loosely, but this is special. This is Pioneer's brand new PLX-CRSS12, the Cross 12, and it is a hybrid. It's a fully functional turntable, and at the same time, you can use it as a controller for Rekordbox and Serato. Let's get into it. So here's what's so great about this to me. We've had motorized controllers which are basically emulating the turntable feel. In this case, it's not turntable emulation because this is a real turntable and you can feel that straight away. Now, how did they accomplish this? It's through using the Magvel clamp. And you attach that to the top and it gives you incredible control of the deck, even without a piece of vinyl on it, as I'm demonstrating right here. The Magvel clamp also has rotation torque adjustment, which allows you to adjust the torque. You can increase it, decrease it to find what works for you, either the lighter feel or heavier feel. I prefer the heavy feel. It really gives me great control, but I would like to try it out more to see what would work best if you're doing, for instance, beat juggling and stuff like that. Now, the Cross 12 also comes with a couple of performance pads. Normally, I'm not the biggest user of performance pads that are not on the mixer, but in this case, I can see situations where I would use this. So for instance, I could have my hot cues ready on the mixer, and then I'll use the performance pads on the Cross 12 to trigger my stems. I like the fact that the in and out, so the RCA and the USB connector are on the back when I'm in battle mode. The only downside is that the power cable, the power connection is not on that same side. I would have loved if they could have put all the connectors in one position, but I guess that was not possible. The Cross 12 also comes with an OLED display that gives you some information so you can easily see the BPM and key of your track. You can see if you're in Serato mode, Rekordbox mode, analog or digital. I have to say, when I was trying out the different brake modes, if you have the brake mode in the slower setting, that's almost the same slowdown as the motor off. So for me, it's a little bit overkill. I don't see myself really using that. But then again, for some people in routines, it could be cool to have the brake setting set real fast, real tight. And then when you need that motor off, then you can just use the motor off switch. But I don't see myself really using that. Now, when it comes to the build quality, the Cross 12 is an absolute tank. This feels really solid. So the upper part of the chassis is made from a zinc die-cast, and the lower part is made with a thick resin, and it just feels really, really sturdy. Now, when it comes to the torque, the turntable feels very powerful. Really like the feeling of it when using vinyl or when using it in controller mode. Even without vinyl, I'm just holding the slip mat and scratching with that. It feels really accurate, and I didn't even feel the need to add vinyl. That's how good this felt. Now, then we get to the price point, and I mean, you can probably expect this, right? This is not going to be a cheap device. At launch, I think it's going to be 1,300 euros, $12.99, probably the same in dollars or somewhere around that amount, which is definitely a lot of money. Then again, you are getting two devices in one. And yes, if you want to get a complete set of this, it's going to set you back like $2,600. Now, in comparison, that only gets you one CDJ 3000. So when you look at it like that, this is actually affordable. Now, I'm just kidding. This is a lot of money. I couldn't afford this right now, but this is going to be at the top, the very top of my wish list, and I will have a set of these one day. So I hope you enjoyed this first look at the PLX-CRSS12. This unit has to go back right now, and that's a bummer, but I'm very happy that I had the chance to try this out. I'm in love with this Pioneer. I would love a full set here to do a proper review, properly test it, stream with it. But to me, this is an amazing development and exactly what I was looking for. To have a turntable that you can use for your vinyl, and at the same time, with the flick of a switch, you have a fully functional controller. And man, that accuracy, that feel, just amazing. All right, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to become a member, make sure you check that first link in the description. The membership offers you special discounts on merch and other perks. So make sure you go check that out on djtlmtv.com. Once again, my name is DJ TLM. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.